Hello guys, so today I got um this Vidvie, the wireless headphone is called BB2106, and then what's inside. It has 90-degree foldable. It has it's like it can connect via Bluetooth. As you can see, the power button, good jack, the micro USB. So let's box it together. Maybe we'll just wait. Okay, here is the headset. Here is the headphones, wireless headphones. And this is for the cables to connect the phone. And let's see what's inside. Here's the cables, USB. I don't know what's this. With the manual card, and this is for the plug-in to your laptop or PC. And this is the phone. As you can see, this is the volume up and down, and this is like, I don't know what this is, and this is the charging and the jack. Oh, this one is for the power button. As you can see, the design. So anyway, let's turn it on. It's been turning on, so you need to power on a little bit longer. You see, the Bluetooth is worth it. Okay, wait for it. Yup, it's connected 90%. Maybe let's test this. Let's test the sound. Let's do this. I think anyways, thanks for watching, and once again, peace.